In the bottom, the software will show any PLC warnings. Go to Debugger and then go to Alert List. Here are all the warnings that the machine can activate. For example, by clicking on one of those, the software shows. On the left, you will see the area of the machine that required to be inspected. There you can see the information needed for solving the problem. As example, we open another warning. The image indicates the correct value when the sensor works correctly. Now you have to check the same value out in the input-output page. Let's see another advice. This time it suggests to operator that it's necessary to press reset and then start to make the machine ready to work. Please hit the thumb up and check the next video coming up. There we will go into another interesting feature. A reminder for operator. When an ordinary maintenance activity needs to be performed, it rings an alarm. And automatically a video tutorial shows how that activity must be performed.